Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Tree House. How are you guys doing? This is our video part 2. Yeah, in the last video we learned 5 new vocabulary words. Yes, so right now we are going to review them. So here we go. The first word is yes, naughty. Let's say it 3 times. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Very good. The second word is haircut. Let's say it 3 times. Haircut, haircut, haircut. Very good. You guys are good at this. Okay. The third word is cottage. Let's say it 3 times. Cottage, cottage, cottage. Very good. The fourth word is greedy. Let's say it 3 times. Greedy, greedy, greedy. Very good. And the final word is, number 5. Do you know? Bowl. Let's say it 3 times. Bowl, bowl, bowl. All right, everyone. Great job. We just finished reviewing our 5 vocabulary words. So guess what? Do you want to know? We are going to learn our new sentence patterns for the 5 vocabulary words. So guys, are you ready? Here we go. The first sentence pattern is naughty. Are you naughty or good? You can say, I am good. I hope you are, because it is bad to be naughty. Be good. Okay, the next word is haircut. Do you want a haircut? You can say, yes, I want a haircut. If no, you can say, no, I do not want a haircut. Great job. Okay, here comes the next sentence pattern. The next sentence pattern is cottage. Here we go. Who lives in a cottage? The 3 bears live in a cottage. All right, the next sentence pattern is greedy. Here we go. Are you greedy? No, I am not greedy. I like to share. Yes, if you are not greedy, you like to share. Sharing is great. Sharing is caring. Okay, the final sentence pattern is bowl. Here we go. What can you eat from a bowl? I can eat rice from a bowl. All right, guys, great job. We just finished learning our 5 new sentence patterns. Congratulations. This was an easy video, right? Yes, it was. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye-bye.